cloudy mountains of Coorg, at one of the most famous places, Mangalpatti. Mangalpatti trek is very famous among tourists, and we are here in the morning to see the sunrise, which we are witnessing. Look at the view in the backdrop, it's so mesmerizing. Wondering how we got here, how we got to this place, then we came here by a jeep, and it was one hell of a jeep ride. We started at 5 in the morning and the ride was of 45 minutes, and it was quite thrilling and adventurous. So the jeep ride will cost you 1,000 per person if you come sharing basis, but if you want like a private jeep to yourself, for two people it will cost you like 2,500 per person. Like that means 5,000 per person. That turns out very expensive. So I would recommend that you come on sharing basis and pay 1,000 per person, because it's not going to make any difference people sitting with you.
गाड़ी में आने का अपना ही मज़ा है, मतलब 1,000 रुपया पर पर्सन लगता है और इतना मज़ा आता है। मुझे तो पर्सनली बहुत मज़ा आया। आई थिंक 4x4 लवर्स को मज़ा आएगा, वैसे वो चला नहीं रहे फिर भी। सो रत्ना, हाउ वाज योर जीप राइड?
It was quite thrilling actually. Fun. The jeep ride was actually very adventurous.
बहुत मज़ा आएगा। इतनी सारी जीप्स को इकट्ठा देख के वैसे मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है। तो मेरी तो सुबह बन गई।
काफ़ी भीड़ है यहाँ पे, like more than you would ever think. At like 5 in the morning or 6 in the morning, it's quite crowded, this places.
और अभी ये छोटी सी हाइक है, आप जैसे कि देख सकते हैं, हर उम्र का बंदा ये कर सकता है। आई थिंक इट विल टेक लाइक 10 minutes to reach the top, and top is over there. So hike is pretty easy, isn't it?
This is nothing.
But guys, please do wear proper footwears. Ladies avoid wearing sandals and all, because पत्थर काफ़ी हैं। तो आप यहाँ से देख सकते हैं कि ऐसे सारी जीप्स खड़ी हैं, जहाँ से आप शुरू करते हो, वहाँ से आप शुरू कर लेते हो ट्रैक, and you go all the way up to there. हम ऐसे शायद शॉर्टकट लेंगे। So this is the regular path, but if you are young, you can take this shortcut. So रत्ना थोड़ी सी ऑफ ट्रैक चली गई एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए। कैसा लग रहा है? थोड़ा सा
यार, मतलब if you look at the 360-degree view, the view all around are very beautiful.
So, how's the experience?
Beautiful. This place is mesmerizing.
Okay.
Look at the clouds.
Wow, beautiful.
So I would absolutely recommend this place to everybody who is in Coorg, because it offers jaw-dropping views, and of course the ride ride to this place is pretty thrilling. It's very adventurous. You just make sure that you book your jeep well in advance, and you start at 5 in the morning, reach here by 6:15, catch the sunset, enjoy the jaw-dropping views, and sit at this place in silence, enjoy the beauty of the place. So we are at Honama Mata Mandir. This temple has a lot of significance for local people. So, and it has lake right in front of it, and it is offering a beautiful view. The temple is closed right now, but the lake view is really mesmerizing. Just take a look. We'll go ahead just closer to the lake and enjoy some good time over there. So we have come to Honamanakare Lake, and this is quite a unique destination actually for me. यहाँ actually कोई भी नहीं है, absolutely nobody. It's just two of us. This lake, these mountains and nature. That's it. I think the best time of the day would be evening or morning to come here, because right now the sun is right at the head. It's a bit warm, but evening is a great time to visit this lake. Look at how beautiful the lake is.
ऐसा लग रहा है कि जैसे ये बहुत ज़्यादा टूरिस्ट नहीं आते यहाँ पे, और पानी थोड़ा सा अभी कम है लेक में। ये देखिए जहाँ हम खड़े हैं ये सब ड्राई एरिया है, और यहाँ पे अक्सर पानी होता होगा जब मानसून्स होंगे, तो थोड़ी सी गर्मी शुरू हुई है तो आई थिंक पानी काफ़ी कम है, बट बहुत ही पीसफुल है। मतलब इतना पीसफुल है, आपको बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा, आपको सुकून लगेगा। अगर वेदर अच्छा हो तो और भी अच्छा होगा। ऐसा नहीं है कि ये बहुत ही यूनिक लेक है, लेक्स जैसी होती है वैसी एक लेक है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा आप, क्योंकि यहाँ पे रोड बहुत अच्छी है, कनेक्टिविटी 1 घंटे में आप आराम से पहुँच जाते हो, ट्रैफिक भी नहीं होता, तो थोड़ा सॉलिट्यूड के लिए आप यहाँ पे आ सकते हैं। सो एज़ यू कैन सी लेक की तरफ का तो नज़ारा अच्छा है ही है, लेकिन अगर हम इसकी उल्टी तरफ भी देखते हैं तो ये देखिए, ये क्रैक्स की वजह से कितना सुंदर लग रहा है, और पीछे ट्रीज, तो ये फोटो के लिए भी बहुत अच्छी जगह है ना रत्ना? जस्ट मेक श्योर इफ यू कम एट इवनिंग यू हैव इनफ टाइम टू रिटर्न बैक टू कुर्ग, बिकॉज 1 घंटा लगता है, ऑल्दो द रोड्स आर सुपर्ब। कैसा लगा लिटिल हाइक?
It was lovely.
है ना? I think मौसम अच्छा हो तो और मजा आए।
This place would be like, the beauty would be doubled. So now let's go to Harangi Dam. So this in the backdrop is Harangi Dam. It's built on Harangi River, and the dam is closed right now. There's no water in the dam. That's pretty much we expected. So I think the best time to visit here is again monsoons. I would recommend people who want to visit this place to not waste their time coming here except for monsoon season. But however, this place looks like a popular place for picnic for the locals.
सो राइट ऑपोजिट दिस डैम आप देख सकते हैं काफ़ी टूरिस्ट की गाड़ियाँ और 2-3 गाड़ियाँ, बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पिकनिक भी करते हैं और एक अच्छी जगह लगी मुझे, काफ़ी अच्छी लगेगी, छोटी सी टपरी है। इट्स नॉट कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा मस्ट विजिट है, लेकिन अगर आप कुछ थोड़ा सा सॉलिट्यूड में जाना चाहते हैं तो बहुत अच्छी जगह है ये।
ಹಿಂದಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ.
ನಾ ಹಿಂದಿ ನಾ ಕನ್ನಡ
ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತು.
ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾ
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಓನ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದಿ. ಹಿಂದಿ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಹಿಂದಿ
ಅಂಕಲ್ಗ ಭಾರಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಕನ್ನಡ ಒಂದೇ ಮಗಳು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ.
इतना समझ आ गया, अंकल को ट्रोल कर दिया आंटी ने, तो ये कॉमन ही है हर जगह।
अंकल
आंटी
भारी
ने कुछ ट्रोल किया अंकल को जो हमें समझ नहीं आया।
बट हम हंसे बहुत जोर से। How's the taste? It's different. It's little sweeter.
It has little sweetness to it.
Very, very, very delicious.
This is just a random place that we have stumbled upon. We came here to have juice, but we saw this bridge, so we came on that. The view is very beautiful from here actually. It's a very quiet place.
सो जी ऐसे जाना पड़ता है हाथियों को खाना खिलाने। हाँ भी रत्ना कैसा लग रहा है?
अभी तो we are crossing this river.
पता नहीं जब पानी ज़्यादा होगा तो कैसे लोग चलते होंगे, बट आजकल जैसे पानी कम है तो ऐसे चलते हैं सारे। और दूसरी बात ये भी है कि जो जितना ज़्यादा फुर्ती दिखा सके आगे पहुंच जाता है। सो यहाँ से टिकट मिलती है, आप देख सकते हैं, थोड़ा सा चल के आना पड़ता है, यहाँ से टिकट मिल जाती है आपको। ये टिकट काउंटर है।
इसके लिए
सो जी हमने टिकट ले ली, बता दे रहा था कुछ।
So we bought the tickets. The ticket price is 100 rupees.
100 रुपीज़ पर पर्सन, ठीक है।
Yeah, it's finally a bit peaceful here now because this is the jungle area.
Yeah.
So finally, So we are now at Dubare Elephant Camp. It is one of the highly recommended places to come in Coorg. Dubare Elephant Camp is about 30 kilometers from Madikeri, and you can come here to be up close with these giant beautiful creatures. And the timings to come here are 4:30 to 5:30 in the evening and morning 9:30 to 11:30. So it's a basically elephant camp where the forest department keeps about 150 elephants, and this is one of the camps where some of the elephants are there. And coming here is again you have to cross the river side and walk for like about 10 minutes and you come. You can also enjoy the scrub bathing process of the elephants. That happens in the morning. It used to happen in the evening and morning both, but now it only happens in the morning. But if you want to indulge in that experience, that will only happen in the morning. So yeah, we'll go around, we'll feed the elephants, we'll click some pictures with them and see around the place.
बोल दे कुछ पहले, क्या बोल? चल
It's the elephants feeding time.
हाँ।
We're gonna feed them. So earlier, these camps were used to, train these elephants for the famous Mysuru Dasahara. But now the forest department has changed everything, and now this is only there to preserve these elephants, and it is helping them, promote the tourism of Coorg. We got a bit lucky to catch them bathing the elephant. We can't do it ourselves, but it's quite a great experience to watch them bathing them, and it's quite a whole process to bathe the elephants. Actually, grooming the elephants is a whole lot different thing than grooming other pets. It demands a lot of effort. As you can see how they are cleaning their tusks, all the areas of the body of the elephant. So quite an experience, and yeah, beautiful. So this is one of those places where you can get up close with these giant beautiful creatures and get to know them better. So I have never been so close to elephants before, and the experience was really awesome. I absolutely recommend this place to everybody. They are so beautiful and majestic.